Welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to enable the Send a Random Welcome Message feature for new members in your Discord server. This is a simple but awesome way to make your community feel more personal and engaging right from the moment someone joins. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account and connected to the server you want to customize. Once you're inside your server, tap the server's name at the very top of the screen. This will open a menu with a few options related to your server. From that menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage and personalize your community. Inside Settings, tap on Overview. The Overview section is like your control panel. It's where many basic server options are located, including system message settings. Now, scroll down until you find a section called System Messages Settings. This is the area that handles what kind of automated messages your server sends and where they appear. Here, look for the option that says Send a Random Welcome Message when someone joins this server. To turn it on, all you have to do is toggle the switch next to that option. Once it's enabled, Discord will automatically send a fun, random welcome message every time a new member joins your server.